Hi there. What do you think is the most important factor that can ensure your win in situations like wars? Well, in situations like wars, the most important factor is to having a very secure communication line. Imagine having lost a communication channel between your allies or associates and major supervisors. You could basically lost your life there. Now, even a more dangerous scenario would be that you have a communication line, but and your adversaries and your enemies are constantly tapping that, and you are not even aware of. Then you could you without you knowing, your enemy can know your plans, and it could destroy and basically win the war. Now, the movies like 1917 and The Imitation Game greatly portrays how important and crucial communication is and how important encryption is in the times of World War One and World War Two. Hi there, this is Shubham Pandit, and me and my partner Pulkit Jain will be presenting you the demonstration of our app that is Snoop resistant secure communication system, and it's been done under the course digital signal processing. So we'll first show you the MATLAB interface of the app and the Simulink representation of the app. So this entire block diagram can be divided in two halves. So the upper half is to basically encrypt the data. So first will capture the audio from the sender's phone and we send it into this function, which is basically it's doing nothing but XORing the signal. So it will take a present value of the signal and it will XOR it with the previous value of the signal. Uh, so because this is a time series data and it's a digital data. Now, once the signal gets encrypted, it will basically behave like a noise. So even if our enemy taps our communication channel, they will not be able to understand or make a sense out of it unless they know what encryption technique is has been used. Otherwise, they'll have to brute force it, and it's nearly impossible to do it without doing what technique has been used to encrypt the data. Now, once the encryption has been done, we'll send the signal using UDP send to the receiver's phone, and we'll receive this signal in the second half of the block. In the second half, UDP receive will receive that encrypted signal and it will reshape it and will send it to these two blocks. Now, which block to be chosen will be decided based on the switch. So we'll show you the app interface in the later part, but there you'll find only one switch and there is a decrypt written on it. So once you press this switch, it will decrypt the signal. It will go into this action pod. So the signal will be directed into this function. And here we'll again use XOR to decrypt the signal. It's a bitwise operation and we'll do it again for the present value and its previous value. And once we get the decrypted signal, you'll find that there are various noises present due to environment and communications noises. So that's why we are using a moving filter. And after a lot of trials, we have tuned it to remove the higher frequency spectrum noises. We can hear a smooth voice at the receiver end. Now, once we have decrypted it, we'll play the audio at the receiver end using the audio playback signal. I will show you the demo of the signal. And there you'll find that when nobody is speaking, only so basically there should not be any data going there. But due to environment and sounds around the phone, there will be constant tapping of this. There will be constant ups and downs of the signal, which is a basic property of XOR. Because even in a signal like 1000, even if one is present, then that would be replicated and it will convert all the zeros into one. So this is a limitation of XOR, and to erase it, that's why we used moving filter, but it doesn't. Uh, it does a good job, but it doesn't remove the noises entirely. So now we'll show you the demo of the and working of the.
Hi, I am Pulkit Jain and I will be giving a demo of assignment 2. So I will be showing the interface first. Can you come here and I'll show the interface. So this is our IR, and as you can see, we are receiving the noise from the other end when we haven't pressed the decrypt button. So when I press this button, decrypt button, we will be receiving some sound from my friend Shubham on the other end. So let's see if it works or not.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Shubham, you are audible. You are clearly audible. Yeah, the app is. Yeah, we can listen you. Can you speak something again?
Hello, my name is Shubham Pandit. I'm speaking through this app.
Yeah, 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 it works.
Yeah, I think it's working. Okay.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Thanks. Uh, so now we are receiving the noise again, and so it works. That's it.